Ready to transform your space into a festive wonderland for Chinese New Year? Wondering how to incorporate traditional elements while adding a modern touch? Join us as we explore 7 amazing Chinese New Year decoration ideas that will impress your guests and bring in good fortune for the year ahead. What are some traditional Chinese New Year decorations that bring good luck? Traditional decorations are essential for setting the tone of the Chinese New Year, as they symbolize prosperity, happiness, and good fortune. Here are 3 must-haves. 1. Red lanterns. Representing brightness and hope, these iconic lanterns are perfect for your entryway or garden. 2. Couplets. Hang poetic couplets on door frames to bring blessings and positivity into your home. 3. Fu characters. Display the Fu character upside down, symbolizing the arrival of good fortune. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like and share this video to inspire others. What are some DIY Chinese New Year decorations for a personal touch? Get creative with DIY decorations that showcase your personal style and efforts. 1. Paper cuttings. Craft intricate designs of zodiac animals or symbolic patterns to hang on windows. 2. Handmade lanterns. Make paper lanterns with family for a fun bonding activity. 3. Calligraphy wall art. Practice Chinese calligraphy and create custom wall art for your home. For more DIY inspiration, make sure to subscribe to our channel. What are some centerpiece ideas for a Chinese New Year dinner table? Elevate your dinner table with eye-catching centerpieces that reflect the festive spirit. 1. Floral arrangements. Use fresh plum blossoms or peonies, symbolizing renewal and prosperity. 2. Mandarin orange bowls. Arrange oranges in a decorative bowl for wealth and good luck. 3. Red envelopes display. Incorporate red envelopes into your centerpiece for a playful and festive touch. CTA, looking for a guide to recreate these centerpieces? Check our playlist in the description for detailed tutorials. How can I involve kids in decorating for Chinese New Year? Include fun and meaningful activities to get children excited about the festivities. 1. DIY red envelopes. Let kids decorate their own red envelopes with glitter and stickers. 2. Craft zodiac animals. Create paper or felt animals based on the year's zodiac sign. 3. Festive coloring pages. Provide themed coloring sheets with lanterns, dragons, and other symbols. Check out more similar videos in the description for family-friendly activities. How can outdoor spaces be decorated for Chinese New Year? Extend the festive spirit to your outdoor spaces with these creative ideas. 1. Lantern pathways. Line your garden path or driveway with glowing red lanterns. 2. Dragon decorations. Add inflatable or wooden dragon designs to showcase strength and success. 3. String lights. Use red and gold string lights to illuminate your outdoor areas. Want to see where to find these items? Check out products as seen on video in the description. How can I involve kids in decorating for Chinese New Year? Include fun and meaningful activities to get children excited about the festivities. 1. DIY red envelopes. Let kids decorate their own red envelopes with glitter and stickers. 2. Craft zodiac animals. Create paper or felt animals based on the year's zodiac sign. 3. Festive coloring pages. Provide themed coloring sheets with lanterns, dragons, and other symbols. Check out more similar videos in the description for family-friendly activities. How can I decorate the entrance to welcome good fortune? The entrance of your home is key to inviting positive energy and good fortune. 1. Door couplets. Place red couplets on both sides of your doorway to invite blessings. 2. Fu door sign. Hang the Fu symbol prominently to usher in happiness. 3. Lucky plants. Use bamboo or money trees at the entrance for a touch of greenery and prosperity. Want to shop for these decorations? Check the products as seen on video in the description. How can I decorate my home with a modern twist on tradition? Infuse your home with traditional elements while keeping it chic and contemporary. 1. Gold accents. Combine traditional red with modern metallics like gold for a sleek look. 2. Minimalistic lanterns. Opt for minimalist paper lanterns with clean lines and subdued designs. 3. LED lights. Use warm LED string lights around your decor for a soft, modern glow. Want more ideas like these? Comment below with your favorite. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the power of decorations to transform not just your home, but also your festive spirit. By combining tradition with creativity, you can celebrate Chinese New Year in a way that is uniquely yours. Ready to start decorating and welcoming prosperity? Let's make this year unforgettable.